an adjournment motion on the killing of Indians in the United States by those indulging in hate crime. As you know, madam, that Indian techie Srinivas Kuchivotla was shot dead and his friend Alok Madasani seriously injured in Kansas on 22nd February by an American shouting anti-immigrant slogans. Another Indian, Harnish Patel, a convenience store owner, was killed in South Carolina. Again, on 4th March, one Deep Rai was injured in Kent, Washington. Madam, this is the result of a persistent hate campaign against Indians which is taking place in the United States, especially after the new government came to power. As Mr. Kharge has mentioned, Indian technical professionals, they are giving a big service to the US economy. Rather, they are providing them brain power, but a hate campaign against Indians is being carried out. Madam, we are very concerned. Our Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, in a Twitter message, has expressed concern and asked the Government of India to take steps. She has also written a letter on this issue. But as Mr. Kharge pointed out correctly, that the central government, especially after our very voluble and vocal and articulate Prime Minister, is keeping a strained silence on the issue. I can understand that the External Affairs Minister is not well, but the Prime Minister is his own foreign minister. He goes everywhere. Now, the Foreign Secretary goes to America and talks about H-1B visas, restriction on them, and immediately after he comes back, US imposes a fresh restriction on H-1B visas in America for getting priority. Now, what's happening, madam? Aren't the interests of the Indians working in the United States to be protected by the Government of India? Aren't we going to take a proper step so that this hate campaign stops? With all the vehemence at our command, we condemn the hate campaign carried out by certain misguided sections of the American society. We do hope that there will be protests in America as there are protests in India, and we do hope that our government will show the gumption and the guts to stand up to the bullies in the US so that no more attacks take place on Indians, and Indians working there on H-1B visa are not deprived of their right of working in the United States.
हमारे आरक्षण को धक्का मत दीजिए, लेकिन जिस समाज के तरफ से आज मांग हो रही है, डिप्टी चेयरमैन सर, हर समाज में इकोनॉमिकल बैकवर्ड क्लास की संख्या है और उनको आर्थिक निकष लगाकर, एक तो आर्थिक निकष पर आरक्षण नहीं दे सकते हैं। हाँ बिल लाओ ना, तो आप बोलिए बिल लाने के लिए बिल लाएंगे।